Antonette Shay here, back again. I know y'all probably looking like, girl, didn't you have that on in the last video? Yes, I did. That is because I'm recording 2 videos today. I mentioned, you know, I have had like this little cough. I feel like it's like my sinuses. It's like my sinuses. Like, I have literally had this like post-nasal drip. It's driving me insane. But today we are gonna be doing, I don't wanna necessarily say it's an unboxing because I did open the original box. However, ooh, my camera's on. However, I did order some Rick Owens Dark Shadows from Farfetch. I did purchase like the low top version, so here we go. I purchased those because I didn't really want the high tops. Like, I felt like everyone has those, and if you know me, sometimes I like to be a little bit different. So here's the tag, Farfetch, and it did come with this cute little canvas, like this canvas bag, and then, you know, you get your receipts and everything, and then boom. Here is the shoe. I did purchase the low tops. They're listed as like baseball shoe on there. I'm not sure, but I do like I didn't get leather. I'm not sure the name of this material, but I'll leave the link below to where I purchased them, and then it has the Farfetch tag. I did purchase these in a size 38 photo and insert it somewhere in this video just so you guys can see how it looks. The IT 38, the Italian size 38, which for me is a US 8, which is, I'm an 8 in women's, so if that helps anyone, if you're an 8 in women's, I would say get a 38. These don't run tight. I do have plenty of room up here in the front area. It's just that getting the shoe on is a bit of a task. I didn't realize that the tongue doesn't really come out. So when you're trying to get your foot in, I have to kind of like wiggle my foot in. This part back here is actually pretty sturdy. So it takes me a little while to get my shoe in. I would not suggest wearing like thick socks with these. So I did try these on with my no-show dress socks. And it seems like that's what I'll probably have to use wearing these. But other than that, I actually really love them. They're like a cream color. The sole is like a cream color. I guess compared to my lamp, you can kind of see the lamp shade is white and then this is cream. The inside here, this is like a leather and it just says dark shadow. But yeah, like I've been thinking about ordering these shoes and I was just like, no, like, you know, back and forth about it. And I'm actually really glad that I took the plunge and purchased them because, like, yeah, a lot of times when I buy something, it takes a minute to like for me to get used to them, but after I put them on my foot, I'm like, okay, they don't look as bad. Now my fiance was like, girl, those look kind of big on your foot, but when I put them on, they didn't look bad, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, and I do like the shoestrings. The shoestrings are like the same color as the sole. So yeah, I mean, and the shipping with Farfetch was actually pretty quick. I will say all within 1 week. I ordered on like a Thursday and these got to me on Tuesday. You know, the shipping was pretty fast. It came in another box, which I actually threw it away. I completely destroyed the box, but it was like really taped up, really secured, like nothing was getting through that box. So I'm really glad that, I was actually worried that when I got my box, it was gonna be like banged up or something, but as you can see, it is in like the most perfect condition. So when you do get it, it says please keep this label attached if you would like to return your item. So I wouldn't suggest taking this off until you are absolutely sure that you're gonna keep whatever it is that you purchased through Farfetch. I'm not sure that they'll still accept it if you do remove the tag. I don't know, but I wouldn't suggest taking it off just to complicate returning issues. But baby, these ain't going back. I'm keeping these, okay? It's it for today's video. So I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, see you next time. Bye.